Hello viewers, welcome to our Media Technology YouTube channels. This presentation we are going to discuss about the type of display connectors and why is important. Once again, I am your host Haj-Media, Media Technology Specialist. Okay folks, now we are going to talk about the importance. Most of the meeting getting delayed because of the display monitor. The reason DisplayPort connectivity is not matching the presenter laptop display connections. Sometimes the presenters showing the concept of the presentation from his laptop and the result is not reaching successfully who is viewing that presentation in the meeting room. Why this is happening? Because there are different types of connectors. What you see on the screen for you to know the common display interfaces. You can ask by yourself why this much types of connectors. The reason, display resolutions. Nowadays, displays or TV coming bigger diagonal size and the video quality should match the screen sizes. Otherwise, the video what we are seeing is not getting clear to view. Based on the needs, the new modern laptops and systems, these are coming with new technology graphics card ports. That's why we should be ready on the current technology. How? Here I am introducing the product called Universal HDMI Adapter Ring for one cable connection in every kind of meeting room requirements. It has 5 display type connectors adapter. It supports the common displays are available nowadays. I give the product link on the description, so please go and check and give your update if you require more information of this product. Thank you all for watching this presentation and let me know if you have any questions. If all like this presentation, give your thumbs up and subscribe our channel to look for the another new videos. By the meantime, thank you folks. Bye bye.